Hey mates, I'm Alex.
And I'm Gaston.
Welcome to Power Mates.
This is a place to learn and share about Fabric and Power Platform. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this channel with your friends and colleagues.
So, hello, beautiful people for Power Mate channel. Welcome to the very special day on our Power Mate community.
Yeah, that's right, Alex. It's our channel first birthday, and we are here to celebrate this incredible milestone with all of you.
Yeah, you can believe it, my friend. Just 1 year ago, we started this journey, not knowing what will take us. And now, here we are with a community of over 6,000 subscribers.
First of all, I would love to say thanks to everyone. Each and every member of this community played a huge part in all of this. Your likes, your comments, your shares have not just support all of us, they have inspired us. So it's been great to be part of this amazing community.
Yeah, and look at all these amazing moments you have shared with us. Your creativity and passion has turned this channel into a vibrant community.
And it's all about the Power Mates family, sharing the stories, sharing the engagements. They shaped our content and made Power Mates a place we all call home right now. So let me recap a little bit, Alex, and ask you this question. What do you think for you is your favorite moment or video that we record so far?
Oh, yeah, interesting question. Well, yeah, my favorite video was like when we present Copilot Studio. Remember when Microsoft, present the Copilot Studio, and then we record a video after day night to present how the Power Virtualizations transform the platform to become Copilot Studio. So yeah, that was my favorite one. And as we blow out the candles on our first birth cake, we are not just making a wish for ourselves, but for all of you as well. So, Gaston, what do you think around our roadmap in our channel? Any insight from your end?
Yeah, we would love to keep, up with all the community engagements and trying to find new ways to interact and to incorporate new content to this channel. So maybe we are thinking about coming with interviews with community leaders, members, and start doing some roundtables to discuss topics in how everybody is engaging with Fabric and Power Platform. So
Yeah, like it.
then yeah, it's going to be great, to have this kind of, engagement with other, community members. So then, as a final message, we wish more to laugh, to learn, and more unforgettable moments together. Here's to another year of adventure on Power Mates.
Absolutely. Thank you for an amazing year. And remember, the best is yet to come.
Stay tuned for more in-depth insights, tutorial, and exciting news right here on our channel.
As usual, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, and join us on this journey.
Together, let's unlock the full potential of Power Platform and Microsoft Fabric.
Yeah.